Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC 4 like a pro. We'll start by covering the absolute essentials. Understanding your basic controls for striking and grappling is the bedrock of any successful fight. Spend time in practice mode, perfecting your jabs, crosses, and hooks. These fundamental strikes are crucial for setting up more complex combinations. Also, learn to defend against takedowns and submissions right from the start. It will save you from many early losses and build a strong defensive foundation. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to elevate your striking game. Incorporate feints and fluid head movement to bait your opponent and create openings for powerful strikes. Remember to mix up your attacks, targeting both the body and the head. Body shots deplete stamina, making your opponent slower and more vulnerable to head strikes. Mastering counter-striking is also vital. Timing your counters perfectly can lead to devastating knockouts and shift the momentum of any round in your favor. The ground game is a critical component of becoming a UFC 4 pro. Learning to execute and defend takedowns is just the beginning. Focus on understanding the various transitions to improve your position and set up submissions. Practice your submission minigames to increase your finish rate. Equally important is defending against your opponent's takedowns and reversals. Once you have a dominant position, utilize ground and pound to inflict significant damage, aiming for a quick finish or a decisive advantage on the scorecards. Finally, a true pro understands the importance of strategy and mental fortitude. Before each fight, try to identify your opponent's strengths and weaknesses, then adapt your game plan accordingly. Effective stamina management is crucial. Don't exhaust your fighter in the first 2 rounds. Pace yourself, conserve energy, and unleash your power when it matters most. Staying calm under pressure, even when taking heavy damage, allows you to spot openings and capitalize on your opponent's errors, leading to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.